Hello, viewers. Welcome to Learn with Samletics. I am Oluwaseun Odemi, the conveyor of Learn with Samletics. And this year, 2026, we will be helping people to switch into data and analytics role. And that's why we are coming to your view today. Yes, I can see your goal plan for 2026, and I can see that line where you specify to be a data analyst before the year runs out. And that's why we are here to help you step by step as you journey and transition into this new role as a data analyst within your environment. And today we'll be discussing 5 major things you need to put in place to achieve that goal of becoming a data analyst in 2026. First, learn the fundamentals. And this approach is also applicable to any new things you want to do differently this year. Learn the fundamentals. In this case, you're learning the fundamentals about data. Why is data important to organization? Why do people sought after people that understand how data works and they can transform data within a database into insights that can guide business or organization on what to do next? So that is what the fundamentals will be helping you to do. Then the next step is learn Excel, learn a tool. That's the next step. So learn a tool to bring the fundamentals to life. And in this case, because you're becoming a data analyst, learn Microsoft Excel or any worksheet tool. And the reason why this is important is when you are learning, build a project within that space with using that tool. So you're using that tool to build a business project with the goal that you'll be publishing this project and you will be publicizing it to people within your network. So do this, learn Excel, build a project in Excel, document in GitHub, and publish on your LinkedIn and let people see the good thing you're doing. Then the next step is learn the second advanced tool within that space. And in this space, we'll be learning visualization. So learn any visualization tool. I will recommend PowerBI or Tableau. And don't just learn, build a project using PowerBI and share business insight. And also publish to your network on LinkedIn and other social media so that people can see what you're doing differently. Then finally, the last step is learn an advanced tool. And in this case, we'll be recommending learn SQL. And the reason why SQL is very important is it helps you to extract data sets from databases, because big organizations, they work with databases, and because of the volume of data set that they have, they need someone that is intelligent enough to query the database, extract your data set, and build a visualization and create insight from it. So that is why Excel is SQL is very important. And don't just learn SQL, build an end-to-end project using SQL as a tool. Document this project on GitHub and publish on your LinkedIn environment. And the last but not the least is join a community. Join a community so that you can showcase, you have an environment where you can showcase what you have learned or what you are learning newly, and where you can rub mind with like minds that are also developing within that space, so that you can stay motivated. And if you need anything, any clarification, you can see mentors to support you in that journey. Okay, so thank you for being with us, and I hope you've been able to learn the 5 major steps you need to take differently this year. I will recap. 1, learn the fundamentals. 2, learn a tool and create a project within using the fundamental. In this case, we're referring to Excel. Then also number 3, learn a visualization tool within a data space. So if it's other aspect of life, learn the second advanced tool within that space. So that's why we are recommending Power BI or visualization. And third, learn SQL, which is the third advanced tool within your data space. Third advanced tool. And once you have that, join a community. And when you're learning, make sure you are publishing and you're letting people to see what you're doing differently within your space. And like I mentioned, in Samlytics, we are starting Data Analyst Beginners Bootcamp, whereby we are offering our services for free. We just want people to learn and grow. And all the content that we develop from that bootcamp, we'll be sharing on this channel so that further people can see how we are developing data analytics capacity within people and they can learn and grow. So if you are interested, I'll be dropping a link below where you can click and fill a form just to register your interest, and after that we'll pick it up. Our team members will pick it up with you and send you an email to show if you're qualified or if you'll be going with this cohort. And for this cohort, we are only working with 15 people within that space. So if we are at the moment, the cohort is up to 15. Other people will be piling them up for the next cohort. So thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing the great things you do within the data space in the year 2026. Thank you and stay empowered.